Good morning, student. Welcome to the online classes. As you know, we started the Maths 1 lesson number 1, angle and its measurement. I already told you that area of the sector and length of an arc, this part is deleted for your batch. So, first exercise already we have completed and we will stop that lesson there only. Today we are going to start Maths 1, Trigonometry 1, chapter number 2, Trigonometry 1. I think all of you knows about the basic idea about trigonometry because this chapter was given in 9th and 10th standard. Then also let us recall the previous part what you learned about the trigonometry. See the word trigonometry. In this word, if you break it, you get this is first part, this is second part and this is third part. Means if you break the word, you get three small parts. Tri, it is related to triangle. Gono is related to sides. And metry is related to measure. Means in trigonometry, we have to study three sides measure of a triangle. Side measure of a triangle. But which particular triangle? Yes, you know that triangle is, which triangle is? Right angle triangle. So, in this chapter, we have to study about the sides measure of a triangle. And this study, already you have studied this part in 9th and 10th standard. This year, we will study its further part. Next part, we have to study. This trigonometry word we get from Greek word that is trigonon. Trigonon. First word is trigonon and metron. Yes, metron. And the combination of this word is trigonometry. Now this is the branch of mathematics and it is very useful. You studied the questions of the type in 10th standard. If a tree is broken, suppose it is given this is a tree and from here it is broken and it is fallen down on the ground, then we have to find the total height of the tree. Then you studied the example. If two parallel buildings are given, then what is the distance between the top of the building? Then about the lighthouse. Then there was a question, if a bird is flying, then what is the height of the bird from the ground? If fish is there in the pond, then what is the height of the fish in that, what is the deep of the fish in that pond? Such type of example already you have studied in 10th standard. Now, no need. In this 11th standard, we have to study some new formulas. What problems are not given here? So, let us recall what you learned in the 9th and 10th standard. Basic formula. This is the triangle ABC and an acute angle. In a right angle triangle, how many acute angles? Two acute angles. We will consider angle C as theta. So, for this right angle triangle, this is the perpendicular. We can consider BC as base and AC is the hypotenuse. A side opposite to 90-degree angle is called as hypotenuse. So from this we studied in the previous class. If you want to calculate sine theta, sine ratio, then the formula is here. Opposite of theta is perpendicular and hypotenuse. In short, P upon H. If we have to calculate cos theta, then cos theta formula we studied adjacent to theta. This is the side adjacent to theta and we are considering the side as base upon hypotenuse. In short, B upon H. And we know that tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta, and its formula we get perpendicular upon base. This formula was given in the 9th standard. So, while teaching in the 9th standard, some students don't know how to keep the formulas in their mind. So, for this perpendicular, we are saying Pandit. For B, Badri. For P, Prasad. Means when sentence was given, Pandit, Badri, Prasad. For this H, her. For this H, her. And for B, Bull. So what we get? Pandit, Badri, Prasad, her, Bull. So by this wording, we can keep it in mind the formula Pandit, Badri, Prasad, her, Bull. So this was the trick which we have to keep it in mind. After this, in this diagram, see here, instead of writing the perpendicular, I wrote this is the acute angle theta, and opposite of this angle is I label there opposite side. See here, concentrate on the diagram. Opposite of theta is opposite side. Adjacent to theta is adjacent side. And we know that side opposite to the 90-degree angle is called as hypotenuse. So in this diagram, opposite side, this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. So from this we get the formula sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos theta, what is the cos theta? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse, and tan theta formula we get opposite side upon adjacent side. These are the three ratios. We know that sin theta reciprocal is cosec theta, cos sec theta, and tan is cot theta. So sin reciprocal cosec, cos reciprocal sec, and tan reciprocal cot. So from this what we get? We get hypotenuse upon opposite side, hypotenuse upon adjacent side upon opposite side. So this all thing you already studied in 9th and 10th standard, but before starting the 11th standard lesson, you should know what you studied in the previous classes. Then we know that sin theta and cosec theta are reciprocal of each other. Therefore, cosec theta means 1 upon sin theta, or you can write sin theta means 1 upon cosec theta, because both are reciprocal of each other. So from this we get a common formula. Sin theta into cosec theta is 1. Then cos sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. You can write cos theta is the reciprocal So from this we get sec theta into cos theta.